Doing a little wiring work on this bonsai today. So this is a Portulacaria Afra, also known as a Paphra, or more commonly known as dwarf jade. Not actually related to jade, but they make an awesome bonsai. So I've been working on this one for maybe a little over a year, maybe 2 years. And what I've done over the years is I've thinned out a whole bunch of it. I actually just trimmed a lot off of it. And trying to define how I want this to look. I still am going to end up taking off more branches, but I want to put some wire on there because I'm trying to decide which branches to keep right now. So one kind of rule with bonsai, there's a bunch of different, rules. There's not really rules, but there's guidelines that people follow, is about bar branches. So bar branches are two branches that are directly across from each other. And that's generally not what you want. And I've got two bar branches on this tree. It's not quite as evident when we rotate it to the front view of the tree, which is here. But I don't know. Eventually, I want to take out either these two branches or these two branches. I haven't decided yet. Yes! I'm making a video. I think my first step is I'm going to put some wire on here and just try to define, how I want to arrange these branches. And then maybe I can come to that decision of which of the branches to keep and which to take away. Like I said, either those two are gone or those two are gone. And I don't have to make that decision today. I'm just going to put some wire on it. Do I want this thicker wire? No. There's my wire cutters. So I'm actually going to take one wire from the bottom all the way up to the top. So it needs to be pretty long. Starting with that. Actually, it might need to be longer. I cut a very long piece of wire. Kind of awkward. I don't have to take this all the way from the base, but I kind of wanted to since I'm going to actually start at the top of the tree this time. I don't always do it that way, but for this tree, I wanted to start at the top, or what's called the apex, which I'll show you here in a second. So I'm just kind of, now I got to be a little more careful because we get to these thinner branches. So you can break these, and I don't want to break my apex branch. This wire is a little bit thick for these thinner branches, but I think it'll be okay. So I've decided that this branch here is going to be my apex, so the very top of the tree. And I'm just going to get some wire on it, and then I'll show you the shape that I have envisioned. Clip off some of this excess. I like to have the apex somewhat coming towards the audience or the viewer, but not quite in the center. So this, I clipped it off recently. This is going to branch out and bush out up here up top. But I wanted a little movement here, a little bend here. So you can see this trunk kind of goes right, and then it goes left, and then it goes right, and then left, and kind of snakes its way up. And then, so what I've done here is, a minute ago, before I put this bigger curve into it, this was near the top. Now that branch has moved down, and we have a clearly defined top branch, which is this one, which is our apex. And this has now turned into, instead of a competing top branch at the top, it's now turned into a lateral branch. It's crowded out with these branches. So I'm going to wire this branch next and get it down probably trim off some of this. But when you wire branches, you always want to wire them in pairs. So I'm probably going to pair that one with this one and wire those at the same time. Or that one with this one. Hello? Were you playing soccer? Mm-hmm. Yeah. What's this? That's the case for my glasses. I think I'm going to go a little bit thinner wire. No, that thickness is good. Oh gosh, I haven't decided. There's a Y here, and we never really want a Y that splits evenly like that. So I haven't decided if I'm keeping this. Can you see that? This half of the Y or this half of the Y? But I need to decide that right now. Oh man, it's supposed to be a relaxing hobby. I take that off. Did you make a goal? Yeah. All right. Good job. Okay, big decision here. Remember, we're working on this Y right here. And do I take this one off or do I take that one off? And I have decided, since I'm keeping this branch, okay, I haven't decided yet. Yeah, I have decided. Okay, so this branch is forward. This doesn't make sense. I haven't decided yet. Okay, I think I've decided. Once I lower these branches down with wiring, I think if I take this away, it's going to leave a large hole here. So I think I'm going to keep the front half, take off this back half, and I'll use one of these other branches back here to give it some interest towards the back. But I think I'm going to remove that. Keep this, wire those together. I've made a decision. Let's make a cut. Okay. Can't put it back now. This can be propagated to another little tree though. So now I'm going to wire these two branches together. See if I can get these wires to go right next to each other. Gives us a little bit cleaner look. I'm not a wiring expert, so don't hate on me here. Nor am I a bonsai expert. I just do my thing, alright? I have fun with trees, I kill trees, I do all of it. It's part of the process. That leaves it my way, so I'm just gonna eat it. Did you know these are edible? Good. Where are my pliers? Come on now. Oh, that leaf too. Okay. Wire's probably just a little too big for these little branches. I should have gone with a smaller size. Alright, so did I mess up my wiring on my apex? No. Okay. So these one, we're going to turn it down a little. Turn down for what? Turn down for what? And I'm actually going to take this back and then forward. Oh, lost another leaf. Okay. Interesting. Just giving this a little bit of a, so it's not so straight. A little bit of movement. Did I just break that? Don't think so. I think I'm going to cut this back pretty hard right here. We don't really like branches on the bottom of the branches either, so we're going to take that off. That one's pointing down too, which I'm not really a fan of. So let's take that off. And this is dwarf jade, so it's going to resprout from these points. it'll back bud, so it'll set some new buds somewhere along here. So let's look at this. We have a branch to the left. We have a branch to the right. We have another branch to the right. Branch to the left. Bar branch. We kind of have to... I think that needs to go too. I'm not a fan of that. Bar branch. I might take the back one off. No, because then I'm kind of empty over here. If I bend this down, if I take the front one off, I'm left with these. Make it disappear. Kind of want to take the back one off. Then I'll maybe bend this down. You know, I'm honestly, it's now getting dark and I'm getting older because I'm taking so long to decide. But I'm honestly thinking about removing both of these branches, this whole bar branch, because they're very close to this branch, which I really like this branch. I think it balances out well with these two. I for sure think I want to get rid of that one. This one kind of hides the front line of the trunk. So I'm thinking about getting rid of that one as well. And then figuring out which of these to keep down here. That's pretty drastic. I think it's going to be better in the long run. All right, here we go. That's one. That'll make a nice little cutting there. That looks better already. Now, trying to decide if this one goes away completely or not. You gotta trust the process. It's looking very bare right now, I know. But all this is gonna fluff back out and regrow rather quickly, actually, now that it's warm out. So if I remove that one, I think we have a better tree. We still have a bar branch there, but it's not gonna be visible from the front. It's kind of interesting. I wonder if I can get a little flex out of this. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna remove this branch. I think long term, big picture, when we look at this tree, it's still too crowded. It's too bushy looking. We're taking this off. Oops, got into my wire there. Whew. Another nice couple of cuttings here. Wow. Interesting. Okay. You know, I wouldn't be against cutting this one off. Swooping this around a little bit more. But that doesn't have to be done today. This is a process, you know. See how she's looking. This is the back. There's the front. I'm just trying to get some heavy pruning done right now, and then I'm going to let this thing grow for the rest of the year without pruning it anymore, except for light trims here and there. Funny how plans change. So I originally talked about this bar branch here, getting rid of one of these, but as of right now, I'm going to leave it because when you rotate the tree, you can't tell that that's a bar branch. In fact, this looks like this comes out higher and this comes out lower when you view it from this angle. But my next step is all of these branches have a Y. Y here, Y here, Y here. And I'm going to choose on those right now which half of the Y we're keeping and remove the other half. This is the most annoying branch to me at the moment. I think it's gonna go. It's just kind of distracting from the front of the tree. All right, Blue Jay, chill. That's one of the Ys. This is drastic, y'all, but I'm taking this off. That's another Y. Here's another Y. We're gonna remove that as well. And then we got one more Y right here. I might take this top one and then wire this kind of down here. We're doing it. The last of the Ys on this tree, I believe. Oh, there's another Y right here. I'll take this one pointing backwards off. One more wire. Ooh, I gotta put my kids to bed. Did some slight adjusting on these branches. I made them go down and then back up. I think that gives it some look of age. Same here, I did a little down curve and then up towards the end. I'll do the same thing here. I'll go down and probably this way with it. And then I'll work on where to position this branch. But I'm done with cutting this thing. I'm gonna go put kids to bed, and then I'll do another day. I'll do another wiring session on this thing, and it'll be set for the next while it grows out. But I am pretty happy with it. I was stressing out about some of those cuts, but now that I've made the cuts, I really like the result. So I'm not going to do much more cutting on this for the whole rest of the year. And yeah, we'll see how this thing continues to develop.